How to fix error loading media on Messenger in iPhone. So let's start the video. First of all, if you want to fix this problem, then firstly open your settings. In settings, click on general and then click on iPhone storage. After clicking on iPhone storage, then scroll down and find Messenger. Now click on Messenger, and here you can see the option offload app. Now click on offload and then again click on offload. After offload your Messenger and then reinstall app. After install Messenger, then go back to your screen and open your Messenger and then check your problem will be fixed or not. If it doesn't fix your problem, then go back and press and hold on Messenger and then click on remove app and then click on delete app. After delete your app, then reinstall it, and after reinstall your problem will be fixed. I hope this video is helpful for you. Thanks for watching.